Okay, hi everyone. So today I'm talking about AI and Joule and payroll. So all the things I love together. So in this case, I'm showing these explain my pay. So this is allowing an employee to actually ask questions about their payroll, and then Joule will go into ECP, pull in the information from the most recent pay statement, and then be able to explain it. So it shows me the pay period, July 16th to 31st. Sorry, I need to catch up on all my payroll runs from this demo system. When it shows here's your earnings, here's your deductions, here's your net pay, and then it gives a little bit of explanation here as well. Actually has some source documents that I've added to the system. So we'll talk a little bit more about that. But this is very much using document grounding, so you can upload your policy documents. Please compare to the previous payroll. So you can ask follow-up questions. Just being an employee, they can ask some of these questions about things as well. So now if they want to, understand where some differences are coming from, with the whole idea being that now a person doesn't have to go in and investigate this and then type up an email and respond. It's right there in the system and they can do it. And you can see it goes ahead and pulls in the data from the past two periods now. It says, in this case, it stayed constant because I didn't have any changes. And the cool thing about this is all of this is grounded in the reality of your payroll. So it's actually using an API to log into payroll and pull in this data. So it's not just going to make things up, and then you can upload your source documents here as well. So you saw my dates here, 16th through 31st, which, like I said, I need to catch up on my payrolls. And then I can look at my previous one as well. So yeah, I didn't go create the best scenario per se because it's kind of identical, but you can see the power here of being able to go in and look at some of these things here as well. So, all right, yeah, take a look at that. I mean, awesome functionality. I'm really excited to see kind of how this grows and expands because that is one of the value props of AI and SuccessFactors. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.